Hello everyone, my name is M.Nouman and in this tutorial I am going to show you how we can analyze traffic between two devices and how we can hack into Wi-Fi network by using or cracking the network by using AirMon NG, AirDump, AirPlay Replay and AirCrack, and we will also going to use Wireshark to analyze the traffic or decrypt what's going inside what is happening between two devices and how we can use or how we can authenticate a device from the router. So first of all, I'm going to show you my Linux version, and I'm also going to tell you that I'm currently using Linux as natively installed in my laptop, not like before when we using Linux in VMware when we were trying to hack a server. So right now I'm using Linux, which is permanently installed in my other laptop. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to use the terminal. The short form of opening terminal is Ctrl-Alt-T, or you can just simply click here, and here we are. First of all, I'm going to show you the version of my operating system. So for that, we are going to use the command cat etc os release and hit enter. And as you can see, my version of Linux is 2021.1, and there's another way to check the version, which is uname -a uname -a, and here you can see the Debian version is 5.9.1 and 2020, etc. So first of all, we are going to check what is our interface, because right now my interface of my internet or Wi-Fi adapter is on manage mode. We need to shift from manage mode to the monitoring mode. To check it, we use the command IP8DDR, and as you can see, here we are. This is the MAC address and this is the IP address which is given by the router. So, and there's another way to also check, which is iwconfig. Enter, and here you can see my router mode is managed, and we need to convert from manage to monitor. So first of all, we are going to use the command sudo airmon -ng check kill. It is going to kill processes that are currently being used. Killing these processes, and this process was killed. Maybe when you try, you have different processes, but right now on my device it's only one process which was just killed. Now we are going to start airmon ng. Again, I'm going to type sudo airmon start, and our interface is wlan 0, hit enter. And now you can see that the monitoring mode has been enabled. To recheck it, we use ifconfig, and see the mode has been changed to monitor from manage to monitor. Okay, let's get started. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use the monitoring mode AirDump -ng wlan 0 mon, hit enter, and as you can see, we have started getting the routers. I'm going to end this, and this is the adapter or the station or device, the router device, which we are going to check what's going inside between this and the client. So for that, now here I'm going to type the command sudo airDump ng and -w, or maybe we'll put it later, -c. -c means channel, and my channel is 8, so I'm going to say 8, and my BSSID, which is this. Under these are the BSSIDs of the devices, and right now my device is this. And wlan 0 mon and -w is the name of the file. I'm going to say packet file, or maybe you can name whatever you want to. And okay, invalid destination of MAC address. Alright, I think we need to mention here before packet file. Invalid WEP filter sudo air replay. Oh, it's not air replay, it's arrow dump. Yeah, and as you can see, we have finally got some traffic, and here we are going to see WPA handshake on. I'm again going to split this terminal into horizontal. Here we are. So we need to capture 4-way handshake. For that we need to disconnect any of the device. So I'm going to target this device. So, and to disconnect or target or the authenticated device, we are going to use the command sudo air replay ng the authentication and -a the MAC address of the router, and -c means the client, and this is my client, this device. So I'm again going to copy this and paste it in here. After that I'm going to mention my interface, again hit enter. Invalid authentication. Oh, we forgot to enter the value. So if I use 0, it will do unlimited the authentication. If I say 5, that will do it for 5 the authentications. After that will disconnect by itself. Or let's say I'm going to use 25, and here we will see the handshake. Let's say 0. And this is how I'm going to use to disconnect it. For that I'm going to type here the client. Now I'm going to hit enter. Yep, as you can see, we have finally got the handshake. It came late because I was keep de-authenticating it, so it stopped the device to reconnect to the router. So it was my mistake. After the authentications for like 20 or 30, after de-authenticating for 30, it will be reconnected later. So as you can see, we have finally gained the W4-way handshake, and I'm going to go here, and again I'm going to uncheck this. Alright, now I'm going to exit this one and clear it, and here I'm going to check what have we here. And yes, this is the file we want, so I'm going to copy this, and to analyze it I'm going to use Wireshark and cap. and here I'm going to search for EAPOL, enter. Now as you can see, this is four-way handshake. Alright, and this is the key we want. Okay, let's go back to the terminal, and again I'm going to disconnect it or exit it, and as you can see it's already exit by itself when I control C to terminate in control C in terminal. Now I'm going to stop from monitoring to I'm just going to stop the monitoring mode. So for that I'm going to type sudo airmon-ng stop wlan 0 mon, and as you can see monitoring mode has been disabled. Again I'm going to check for, and it is back to the manage mode, and it will soon be disconnected. Okay, alright, we should use the command sudo, or we'll do it later or in the next video or in the other video. So right now we are going to use a brute forcing attack on this file, which is this, which was captured by our air dump. So now I'm going to crack this file by using aircrack-ng. For that I'm going to type sudo, let me clear this all, ls, now sudo aircrack-ng packet.ca, it's packet packet -1 -01 -cap, and I think we have done a mistake. Aircrack-ng packet 1, and here the word list, which is on USR share word list rocky.txt. Okay, no networks found, failed to open packet1.cap. Why is that? Sorry, we have opened the wrong file. This is the file this is the old file, so this is the correct file. I'm going to copy it, and here I'm going to clear it and Control Shift P V. Now I'm going to hit enter. As you can see, they start cracking the network, and soon we are going to see the ID or password, the password of our router here. And yep, as you can see, we have finally found the key. So this is the key of the router, and let's check why our network adapter is still off. Let's tell it to up. So guys, we have finally found the key, and this is the key of our router. So I hope you liked this video, and I hope you gain some knowledge with this. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment sections. Have a nice day, and thank you.